Hello compliance rockstars. In this video, I'll walk you through how to customize the data fields in Employee Training Manager to reflect your company's specific structure and terminology. You can enter as many entries as you need, such as your own site names, departments, or teams, and easily update or add more later if things change within your organization. Let's jump in and take a look. Navigate to the options icon and scroll down to selection type. Here you'll see a list of data fields that you can customize. This is where you can update the wording to match your company's own terminology. And that's a lot more valuable than it might seem at first. Using your own terms helps the platform feel like an extension of your business. It becomes more familiar for your team, which makes adoption quicker and easier. It also means the reports you generate are more meaningful. Because when your filters and data match the language your team already uses, it's easier to sort, search, and report exactly what you need, without second-guessing what a field means. So take a moment to tailor it. It's a small step that adds a lot of clarity across your whole platform. So let's just open up the departments for the moment. You can see 2 departments listed. The icons on the right indicate if the departments are in use and how many employees are allocated to the department. If there is a number in this column, you can't delete the department until it's removed from the employees assigned to it. This helps make sure people don't accidentally be removed from the department they're working in. So to add a department's really simple. You just click on Add a Department. So let's just add in the head office. You can put a description here if you want, and then when you are ready, you just save and close. So there you are. All these departments, all these fields, whether it's cost codes, classification, sites, work the same way. And these handy little arrows let you move the departments up or down in the list. So if there's one you use more often, you can shift it to the top, making it quicker to find in the drop-down box. You can also export this list to the clipboard, Microsoft Excel, a CSV file, or even as a PDF. And if you prefer a hard copy, there's a print option too. It's a really handy feature and super easy to navigate. All right, let's head over to an employee and add a new department to their profile. Now we'll go over here and select this employee. When you single-click their name, their profile opens up so you can view or edit competency profile. But if you double-click, their full employee details will open up, giving you access to everything in one view. Now let's allocate a department to the employee. If we scroll down, you'll see the department field. Click on it and you'll get a drop-down list of the departments you've set up. Here you can see all 3, and I can simply select the one I want to assign to this employee. You can also create departments or update any of these fields right from within the employee profile using the Edit List option. So let's go ahead and open that up now. The same pop-up appears, and now we're going to add a department called Logistics. Once that's done, I'll go ahead and click Save and Close. And now you'll see Logistics has been added to the list, right alongside Head Office and Human Resources. So now I'm going to allocate Logistics to this employee. Then we'll head back up and close the employee profile. It's as simple as that. If you'd like to check which departments your employees are allocated to, just open up the column settings and select Show Me Departments. And there you go. You can see Jeff Buckley is now allocated to the Logistics department. You might have noticed that Jeff doesn't have a site assigned yet, so let's go ahead and allocate him to one now. If the site you need isn't listed, you can easily create a new one. But for now, let's just go ahead and allocate Jeff to this existing site. And then when you're ready, save and close. You'll now see the department listed inside the employee profile. If you don't want to see all this information by default when you log in, you can simply hide one or both of these fields. That said, it's always a good idea to show the main site the person is working at, just for quick reference. Okay, rockstars, you're all set to dive in and customize your fields. If you make a mistake, don't stress. It's easy to fix in ETM. Just remember, once a field is assigned to an employee, you won't be able to delete it until it's been removed from their profile. Stay sharp, stay compliant, and keep on rocking. Catch you in the next video, where we'll walk through setting up your user permissions. See you then. Bye for now.